Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2013 Ford F-150 XLT Super Crew 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z7888A. 59,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Tuxedo black metallic in color. F-150 is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seat 6, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passenger. Split seat bottom flips up for additional cargo space. Locking tailgate. Trailering package. Spray and bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This F-150 has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, automatic transmission with tow haul mode, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, heating and air conditioning, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those mobile media devices, cup holders and storage. What's up and out of the way for a middle passenger. And a spacious glove box with the owner inside. Under the hood, this F-150 has a 5-liter V8, 360 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 14 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 19 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this F-150, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.